Hey there, fellow pet lovers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of pet monitoring with the Petcube Cam 360. Is it the perfect solution for keeping an eye on your furry friends? Let's find out.
The Petcube Cam 360 boasts itself as the affordable solution to remotely check on your pets anytime, anywhere. It offers all the basics you'd expect from an indoor security camera: a clear 1080p live video feed, two-way audio, and pan and tilt controls.
First, let's talk about the good stuff.
The Cam 360 provides crisp and colorful video, even in low light conditions thanks to its sharp night vision.
Plus, its affordability makes it an attractive option for pet owners on a budget.
However, it's not without its drawbacks. The Android app falls short, especially when it comes to playing recorded videos.
And while it offers pan and tilt controls, it lacks automatic motion tracking, which could be a deal-breaker for some. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of its features.
The Cam 360 allows for 360-degree horizontal rotation and 55-degree vertical tilt, giving you a wide field of view to monitor your pet's antics. It also supports optional smart notifications for motion and sound events, though these come with a subscription fee. Additionally, Petcube offers a range of subscription plans with varying levels of features and benefits, including access to online vet consultations. But how does the Petcube Cam 360 stack up against the competition? We compared it to the Eufy E220 indoor cam, which offers higher resolution video and more advanced features like automatic motion tracking. While the Cam 360 holds its own as a basic indoor security camera, the E220 outshines it in terms of overall performance and functionality.
Now, let's talk about the user experience.
Setting up the Cam 360 is straightforward, but we encountered some issues with the Android app during testing.
Playback of recorded videos was a particular pain point,
highlighting the need for improvements in this area.
In conclusion,
the Petcube Cam 360 is a decent option for pet owners looking for an affordable way to monitor their furry friends.
While it may lack some advanced features found in pricier models, its affordability and basic functionality make it a solid choice for budget-conscious consumers.
However, if you're willing to invest a bit more, there are better options available on the market. That wraps up our review of the Petcube Cam 360. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy pet monitoring!